before and after in Chinese using zhīqián and zhīhòu. They are very similar to yiqián and yīhòu but are slightly more formal. When used at the end of a phrase, zhīqián and zhīhòu come at the start of a sentence right after mention of some kind of event or thing that happened. Event plus zhīqián or zhīhòu. 来中国之前，我的汉语很一般。Before coming to China, my Chinese is very average. 下班之后给我打个电话。Give me a call after you get off work. 吃完饭之后去看电影吧。What about going to the movie after eating dinner? 出国之前他和女朋友分手了。Before he went abroad, he broke up with his girlfriend. When used at a time word, 之前 and 之后 usually come at the start of a phrase in the middle of a sentence. 什么什么之前 or 之后什么什么。他在英国读完了大学之后回上海了。He finished university in England. Afterwards, he returned to Shanghai. 他当汉语老师4年多了，之前是教英语的。He has been a Chinese teacher for more than 4 years. He used to be an English teacher. 我们都不知道他之前什么也没说。None of us knew he didn't say anything before. 我现在去吃饭，之后去见客户。I'm going to eat now. After that, I will go to meet a client. Differences between 之前 or 之后 and 以前 or 以后。之前 or 之后 feel more formal simply because they contain 之, which is a word common in classical Chinese. Both words are still used in everyday spoken Chinese. In addition, while all 4 words can mean before and after, referring to time, 之前 or 之后 also sometimes mean in front of or behind, referring to physical location. 以前 or 以后 are not used in this way.